Hello, and today we'll continue unboxing. Today is a mix of things, so let's hop into it. So to address something here. I got a box yesterday as well that I opened already. To realize contents. I wasn't bringing the camera down, I didn't feel like it. Today I did. This is what I got yesterday. First off, a 4-game Switch box. But I'll let you see, but I'm gonna put switches in it. And you're sweat here in the moment. Yeah, it's a 4-game box. Always taking these screws up and not using them. Always going to the back and putting screws in there to hold this my desk. Second thing is a rack mount shelf. My rack cabinet. Why? Towards 2 things. 1, my nice. 2, my second Mac Mini I'll be getting soon. Hopefully as a exporting machine. I'm gonna just export videos. So I use my other Mac Mini to edit more in the background. Save myself some time. No, actually I got them 2 out for this, but and then half I didn't do it for this. So you can afford this. And it's a good video that 2.0. Oh well. Here's the rack, yes. It came with screws, thank you. I don't know where the rest of my screws are at. That's some more over there. Well, this is really necessary. I'm gonna guess to hold it in place. Yeah, whatever. There's paper, so. This is what that is. Interesting to have mounted shelf. How hard could it be to mount a shelf in the rack cabinet? Well, that does come with screws though. That you can cut out my rack. Let's do that. First, these shelves are actually kind of heavy. I haven't anticipated that being. But yeah, I managed in the rack too. Probably in a separate video. But there's my new rack. Or my new rack. No. Rack piece of equipment. Rack shelf. You'll hold it nice soon as well as my second in the future. For now though, I'll leave it inside the box. Because I'll put it in at stuff, I'm not sure when. I got other shit going on. I'm sure everything's here, it should be here. And yeah. There's 2 minutes that I get soon. I can remember. Now the second box I have not opened yet. I'm gonna that will be after dinner. Choose on see the other table. First, my good old fashioned knife. If you first the box in 2021, it's yours though. First 2021 unboxing. And JJ on the floor. Alright. There's some goodies in here. Oh, packing material. How cool. So, we have 50 feet of electrical wire. 14.2. They should have a ground wire to it. Maybe it does. Something I find out, I don't know if I'm happy. It said Romex brand, I'm hoping it's not actually Romex. I don't know why you wanted Romex though. Point in time. If it is, well fuck. That, it's copper wire, but that is weird. Why is it like that? How big are these? looking about more Asus. Let's see. That sounds about right. There's a 4 switch color for that. That was about $2. Anyway, this. So I'm switching to course. 2 4 connector 5.3mm PMO jacks. There are screw tunnel jacks. The project I'm gonna do since my microphones can feed into my phone during scanner videos that I do. And of course, 2 4 connector cables to wire those to those jacks. It is 2-pack, so there's 2 cables right there. So in this video, I'm not going to do this unboxing. I'm going to wire stuff to you. I'm going to just, I don't know. Alright. Oh. The dumb design on this is 1 wire. Those are just 2 both poles and not just the one. Huh. I better not. Let's go both sides, not just one. Huh. The word I used to be alright. I don't know how to make some mistakes in order, hopefully not, but it's alright. Very still. Oh, it's copper. Alright, right? Oh, I can't do it. I'm not too confident this can't tell, but I'll figure out how it's gonna work. I should burn out thing, but not just a. I don't know if I like this or not. It should be alright, I would think. I tried that first and see me first. Alright. But it's not a push the wire. I burn the whole house down with a bad wire, you know what I mean? He doesn't put the hot wire too and let that run. To run out the neutral wire straight to the outlet, which is fine. These are gonna go outlets from days on run. I want to turn my mic because it has no switch on the receiver. I want to go to the lights and put my desk. I want to go to an outlet under my desk. I want to go to the other outlet. Put my first light on when I do those. So 2 control lights. So we put desk lights for on streaming when I get those. and for Christmas during the winter, for the Acer, for the month I had them up. So, alright, I do have a set of 3nm, 3 conductor screen, I made some of those, and I have 3 1 gig outlet screen for the outlets. Those aren't here yet, those won't get here for another month or so. So, I'm wearing this shit's gonna be a bit different about those. So we'll be out without those in the meantime. Try to get it open though. Get a look inside. And yeah. Alright. I have some things to work up. And yeah. I'll see you all at the point of the video. Okay. So end of the video, I want to show you guys the progress, or the work I've done rather. It is done now. I didn't get to the inside wiring because it's kind of a disaster and I wouldn't catch on fire. However, it has been a few weeks and it has not caught on fire, so it's currently March 3rd. It's been plugged in for a couple weeks now straight, no problem at all. And yeah. So here's the finished job, all the wiring, most of it anyway. Most probably the switch panel. So what do these switches do? The first one here, the first reach one, is the mic receiver. I turn that on. You'll see the light on the mic receiver. Yeah, we get charger. That's turned on. I turn the switch back off. You'll see the mic light is not turned off. Switch number 2 goes to this outlet back here. I don't want to do it right now. I'm gonna check it this. Let me not turn outlet. No. I think we'll work through that. I'm gonna let the lights into the light, it'll come on in the dark. Okay. And I'll let you guys check back with it. If I were to just take over that sensor to make it stay on constantly, I'll show you that outlet working. Alright, now it's start on. Now I'll move it into the other outlet. It's bottom second. And now that second switch here controls that outlet. And the top and bottom plug right here are wired to the same switch. The third switch, as you guys probably saw, goes to this external outlet right here. And move that light back in there. I tried to just load the plug at the bottom of my desk one day. I was wiring the audio stuff up in that video, but it ain't quite bright enough. And barely see the ass turned on. Yeah. Not before. Now you guys can see. This is that out. So my receiver, the outlet down here, just for my lights. I'm not my lights on my desk for live streams and stuff. This goes to the extended outlet, goes to older, and I prefer it to not have power or not being used. And the fourth one goes to the extended outlet as the first one does. So you look down here, next to my desk, see an outlet right down there. The top plug is my mic receiver, and the bottom plug goes to the fourth switch, the fourth switch, the my Christmas lights around my room when I have them hooked up. Currently the Christmas lights are not here because, well, it's March, but when I do have them up, now I have a switch to plug into. What's going on here? Oh, it's not live, right? It's not live. I put it the wrong way as well. No. So going around it, and I ain't trying to get shocked videos, but that's not what I didn't say, case. Okay, that's all for to do. Snap a few more notes, and I'll cut the video off here. The audio stuff, you can get a sneak peek about it right here. And right here. It doesn't quite work. It ain't done yet. I'll probably a 3-part series, probably its own separate thing. I've created part 1 mostly editing. I added in a couple of things, couple pictures. I've just started on part 2. I'm starting to get a 3-part video. The outlet boxes, you can see here that I ordered. I mentioned them. I did not open them in the video. But I did get the outlet boxes off at some point. I don't quite know when, honestly. But I opened the outlet boxes off camera. As well as the 3 connector 3.5mm jack. There's one right here. One of the 2 3 connector ones. And the other 3 connector ones right there. The 2 you guys want me to open are right here. The 4 connector ones. But they did get here eventually off camera as well. The remote about it was fine. I asked my dad about it. He said it was fine. It's a pain in the ass to work with because it's really stiff, but it does work and it's okay to use. I don't know what the hell I was thinking of when I was thinking. I swear there's some old wire that was used a long time ago that you shouldn't use now. I swear it's called Romex wire. But I guess it's not Romex wire. I guess it's something different. So, Romex was fine. Let's see here. Oh, the shelf I had on it as well. I mean, putting that in the rack on that shelf. It's an hour-long video. It should have been an hour long, but it is. That's its own video. And all the wiring, as I said, was done off camera. Mostly because I almost want to copy this and do it wrong and to the housing wire. So, and it'd be really hard to film because under here, and junk hard to film, and it just looks like shit. And quite honestly, I just didn't want to, so I didn't bother. So all the wiring was done off camera. There's a bit of me wiring this. There's a video of me wiring this, and I put it in the shelf in the rack. Like, if you want, that's a sneak peek of it right there. So, that's all that. If you didn't want it, I'll do that. You got it anyway, I guess. Alright. That being said, hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. Oh yeah, I bored down the process there. I gotta fix that part 3. Then I'm supposed to be in this slot here, but it broke. So, and so this female coupler. They're not broken, so I'm going back to my place in the box. Damn it. Oh well. Anyhow, I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing. And listen to me, guys. Take it easy.